We are literally preparing for the worst snow day in the DMV in apparently like 10 or 15 years. It was almost out of there. So I did a chocolate yellow cake. And of course, y'all, I got that wine. Oh my gosh, it is freezing outside. What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayon and welcome back to the channel. We are literally preparing for the worst snow day in the DMV in apparently like 10 or 15 years. Of course, leave it to me. I just got back in from the store because I didn't have everything I needed, and then I had to work all day as well, so I just haven't been able to have time to like literally go to the store and prepare. I totally was gonna vlog me going to get everything I needed out the store, y'all, but it was like a madhouse in there, okay? Which I expected. I mean, only I would wait to the last minute to get everything I need for a whole snowmageddon. Of course, literally. I'm just a girl. So wherever you are, I hope you guys are being safe. Make sure you guys stay inside. I hope you are well prepared. And I send you nothing but blessings and the best of luck to you and your family. I hope you guys are warm. I hope you're stocked up. And I hope you make it through this thing nice and easy as can be, okay? I have been pressed for the snow. So I, for one, am super excited. I have been pressed for the snow. Like, I love the snow. So tonight is the night before, so it's actually supposed to start snowing here in Maryland at about 11 p.m. It is currently like 8 o'clock, so as you can tell, like, I need to get it together. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Again, I hope you guys are being safe, and let's just get into this vlog. We're pretty much just gonna be prepping. You're gonna be spending the night with me before this snowstorm, and pretty much just showing you what I'm doing to prepare, like a lot of you guys are doing too. One of the things I have to do, my son is actually taking me later. He works overnight, so he'll actually getting off early. He's actually getting off early tonight, so he'll be home at around midnight. But he needs to take me to the gas station because on the way home, y'all, I already knew my tank was almost on E. I knew it was almost on E. But that is the benefit of having grown kids, okay? My son was like, Mom, don't even worry about it. I'm gonna take you to get some gas. So if you don't know, then make sure you guys have some gas in your car before a snowstorm, okay? I'm thinking, like, even if I had to warm up my car and let it run for a while, baby, I'm gonna run out of gas. So we're gonna go do that tonight and get anything else we need from the corner store, okay? If we can't get it from the convenience store, it won't get got. So you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Look at my cute hat and scarf set that I got from Old Navy. Let me show you. It's so cute. I hope you guys can see it. I broke my big tripod, so I'm using this little tripod. But it's so cute. And I actually got it from Old Navy for Christmas. And it's so cute. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna get into it, but I'm gonna get settled and I'll be back, y'all. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Happy snow day.
Because it is going to snow. Winter storm warnings in place from tonight, 2016.
What is up, y'all? Okay, we are back. I am out the shower. I got on my nice PJs and my bonnet. Y'all, I baked the cake. Let me show y'all. Look at this chocolate cake, y'all. So I did a chocolate yellow cake. just to celebrate the snow. And now I think we about to do some cooking, because in case the power go out, whatever happened, I need to make sure we have a good meal tonight. And I want to go ahead and cook, because tomorrow I'm not cooking nothing. I'm trying to be able to just relax my beautiful snow day. I've been waiting for this snow. So we got a nice yellow chocolate cake. So we about to cook. So the little international market by my house had all these chicken legs for like $5. So I was like, oh, we about to get them, because I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken. Then I got some cabbage, so I'm gonna make some fried cabbage and potatoes. I'm gonna make, of course, y'all, I got that wine. Okay, I'm about to pour me a glass right now while I get the cooking. So we're gonna have some barbecue chicken and some fried cabbage and potatoes. And I might do, no, that's gonna be it, period. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to clean up a little bit. I don't know what it is. I feel like every time I get dressed or if I cook, I can count on it being an absolute mess. So I'm about to clean up, sweep, wipe down while the food is cooking. That's going to be a while, so I'm not worried about that. And then we'll see the snacks. Almost out of there.